Okay, we're about to do a race. Here's Drew. All right, here's Josh, the killer on the KX85. See what your bad boy sounds like. Start them up, boys!
They racing?
Hey, move them bicycles.
Right.
Just in case Josh decides to turn a little bit long.
Where are we going to put them then? Where are we going to put them? Malik, where are we going to put them?
Slide them over here.
Right here?
Yeah, move that bike.
Pull this cup up.
Let's go!
You ready? Alright then. Ready? I'm hungry.
Just a little cruise, baby. Go! 3 laps! Go, Josh!
Oh, you got ahead, you got ahead. Oh, Josh behind him. Oh, Josh behind him. Up. Let's race up in here. 3 laps. Oh, dude, Josh right there. Josh, go. Oh, shit, this is it. Who's gonna win?
Hell yeah.
You can see.
Oh yeah!
You just better win, nigga. Oh, wait.
Let's go, Drew. Uh-oh, Josh. Josh!
Oh, shit.
Oh, Josh! Don't tell me the KX85 can't keep up with the little pit bike.
Oh, no. Oh, it's four laps. Boy. Oh, hell.
Get him, Josh!
Let's go, Josh. Oh, hell, he's falling. Look at that shit.
Shh.
Oh. Turns are the worst place for Drew. Oh. This is your lane.
Little showboat at the end, baby. I see you.
Cruising, he was like...